Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 30-second tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned CSS align. In this tutorial, you will learn CSS float and clear. So let's get started. Okay guys, now I have this document created. You can see everything is inside this div, right? I specified 70% width. The margin top and bottom is 0, and then left and right is auto, right? The float property allows you to wrap a text around an image. So now if you want this text to appear beside this image, so what we can do, we can target our image and then specify a float property and say left, right? So by saying left, we are saying this image will be on the left side and then the text will be on the right side of the image. Let me save and refresh. You can see now the text wraps around the image. Okay, now you see the text is too close to the image. What can we do here? What we can do is to add either padding or margin. Okay, now what I will do, I will add a margin right 30 pixels, save it. Remember, the margin right is for this image. Okay, refresh. You can see now there is a margin between the text and the image. I think that is too wide. Let me put 20. That's better now. Okay, you can as well say right instead of left, and this will shift the image to the right. Save it, refresh. You can see now the image is on the right side. Okay, let me put it back to left. Alright, now what if you only want the title to wrap around this image and this paragraph to be below this image? That's where the clear comes in. Alright, now to make this text come down here, what you do, as you can see, there is a class of this is description. Alright, now I will target that class. Alright, what I will do, I will specify a clear property. Now I will say left. Alright, by saying left, I am saying this text should not be wrapped around any other element. So the left part of this text should be empty. Alright, let me save, refresh. You can see now my text has come down. Alright, we can as well add a padding top. Alright, now I will say 20 pixels. Save it, refresh. You can see now the image and the text have a little padding here. You can clear left, right, or both. Like if there is an element on the left side and there is another one on the right side, you can say clear both. So it will clear both sides. It will clear the element here and the other element on the right side. And you can say none. Alright, that is by default. You can say none. That's like you are saying whatever float on either side should still be there. You can also say inherit. As we continue learning all these, you will come across all what I'm talking about when we develop a full website. Alright, so don't worry for now. Even if you don't understand, you will understand as we go forward. That's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS inline block. I will see you there.